Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make your channel followers and subscribers on Telegram admins on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. So let me head over to Telegram on or via the desktop application and access one of my channels I created for the sake of this tutorial. So what you will need to do, guys, is you will need to make sure that you have the admin rights or that you are the owner of the given channel, of course. And if that's the case, simply click into these three dots in the top right corner of your channel overview and select Manage Channel here. Inside your channel settings, head over to Administrators. And here, guys, you will see probably yourself and any other admins within that list and the channel. So to make a user or a contact of yours an admin, simply click into this button. And after that, make sure that the given user is either in your contact list or at least part of the given channel, of course. So click into the given user, and after that grant also permissions or assign permissions. For example, change channel info, manage messages, add new members, add new admins. So this is probably or will be disabled on default, so you may enable it so that this admin will also have the opportunity to add more admins. And that's basically it. Don't forget to save your changes, and that is going to make the given user your channel admin as well. Click into save here, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.